Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, let's talk about how to set up emergency savings with Cleo. Now, emergency savings are essential, and Cleo helps you create a focused, stress-free plan. Let's get into how to set that up. So, to set one up, all you got to do is in the Save tab, tap Create Goal. So, first thing first, open the Cleo app, and then in the Save tab, you're gonna tap Create Goal. Next, you're gonna name it emergency funds or something similar. Next, you gotta set a target. So ideally, you want 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Next step is to choose to automate savings or to start with manual contributions. So you gotta decide what you want to do. You want the savings to be automatically deducted from your account, or do you want to manually deposit into the savings funds? After that's decided, you're going to be able to track your progress, and you can easily just adjust things settings as required on the go. But yeah, that's pretty much it for how to get this done. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because we put out more videos and you're not going to be able to get notified unless you subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell as well, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.